2024 Premier 210 Sunsation RF. RF stands for rear facing. I'll show you that here in a minute. So we'll take you around, show you the exterior of this brand new 210 Sunsation. Real quick on the rails and panels, we have midnight and black. So black on black. The panel will be your midnight, and then the rail is black if you want the specific names. So we'll head back around. The back end, we have a Yamaha 115 on this Sunsation. On the back, you'll see ski tow bar, battery switch. Got nice cleats on all edges of the boat, but checking out the trailer. Oh, did forget, tandem axle trailer on this, so. Tandem axle trailer, we're having straps on the back, transom straps for this. A little peace of mind when you're trailering down the road. Nice ladder on the back for rear entrance if you need while you're swimming. But the bimini on this, real quick, we have in black with also black canvas or onyx for the color scheme. Nice Premier logo on the sides. Really sharp scheme. As we come around, I love how Premier does their docking light array with their nav lights at the front. So red and green on both sides. As we come to the front, maybe one of my favorite parts of it is going to be your transparent door. So plenty of visibility for the driver, even when it's closed. So enough of the outside. Let's go ahead and jump on in to this 210 Sunsation RF. On this, we do have your bow ladder, bow stairs almost for this. So as we get onto the interior, lift and move in. So the flooring on this will be the driftwood. So it's more of your brown accented flooring to match our sandstone interior. So it's going to be a two-tone brown interior. Really sharp. So real quick, we'll go through inside, move that door closed. Even with it closed, plenty of visibility. Storage under every single seat. Your front seats are hinged there, so it's real nice to have. You don't have seats flying around everywhere. All throughout, I could open up all the seats, but that might get boring. So we have Clarion audio throughout the boat. 2 speakers up in the front, 2 speakers towards the back. But going through the boat, I have the cover and your cover poles in this seat here. And as we're in the front, you've got your cup holders, both sides, 2 on each side. Right under the helm, you have a little access door. Got to figure out which way is unlocked. Got your fire extinguisher, table, obviously our N3 throwable, life jackets, some dock lines just to get you started. Love these cubby holes. So at the helm, you'll notice we do have that matched fiberglass helm in that sandstone color. Just that elevated captain's point just helps for visibility overall. Super comfortable captain's chair. I can't really show comfort, but I'm pretty comfortable. Simple design here at the helm. So really nice steering wheel, good Premier logo on it. Simple dash. So you have your RPMs, all that stuff here, trim gauge, fuel, volts, and then you get your depth meter there. Switches here, obviously key on, horn, nav lights, anchor lights, dock lights, courtesy lighting, just minor lighting on the inside. So yeah, right there, some lights. All All right. And then you have your Clarion head unit here to power those 4 speakers there, Bluetooth, AM, FM, all that good stuff. USB charging port there, 12 volt, maybe for a pump or something if you got to get a tube going, or maybe a paddle board you're blowing up. I love this tray here. I'm sure if it were me, I'd have this loaded with a bunch of things. Cup holder, actually plural cup holders next to the driver. Real quick, before we leave the helm, trim up, trim down. So all that is right here at the helm. So adjustability if you need, pretty cool. So keep on going back. As we pass the bimini, I do want to mention a standard feature on this boat. It is an actuated bimini. So the touch of a button, bimini will raise and lower at the helm. So top up, top down, moving it down. See, simple as that. All right, moving back, just show you storage back here. All throughout. And then access to the back, lift. Nice little puck there to hold your door, but access to your motor back here, or your tow pylon. And then throw the ladder down if you got to pick up a couple swimmers. So nice hangout area back here, you know, where you're throwing the rope on, where you're getting people out of the water. You've got cup holder areas in the back for the hang, same over here. And then obviously battery switch that we saw on the outside right there. So it's a beautiful, beautiful pontoon, a 21-foot platform. If you have any more questions about this Premier 210 Sunsation RF, give us a call at N3 Boatworks, 317-845-9253.